My guy, what if I told you that we might need to drop the naira as our means of exchange and measurement of value? Because the real question is, what exactly is the value of the naira or the dollar, the cedis, the pound sterling? What is the exact value of paper money aside from the belief that we've attached to it? People now kill for money. Families are destroyed over money. People get kidnapped for money. Millions scatter across the globe chasing money. This very thing that controls our entire existence. But where did this all start? Now, let us go far back in time. Before paper money ever existed, there was trade by barter. We all know the story of how, I give you what I have, you give me what you've got, and everybody goes their way, right? But what happens when you want yams and the guy who has yams doesn't want the fish you are offering? And how do you measure value? Is 2 cows worth 5 bags of rice? How many gallons of oil are equal to 10 yards of cloth? That's when the idea of money began. In Africa, we used cowries. In other parts of the world, it was gold. Gold was universal. Everybody agreed it had value. But again, how many grams of gold equal a bag of rice or a barrel of spice? To solve that, gold coins were introduced with values clearly marked: 1 gram, 5 grams, 10 grams, and so on. This made trade easier, but carrying gold around wasn't safe. Travel with too much gold and you're a walking target. Storage was also a nightmare because back then there were no vaults, no security. People buried their gold, but erosion and memory loss made it highly risky. So that was when some smart guys decided to come up with a game changer. They were like, hey everyone, we are going to build an impenetrable building, a very giant structure whereby everybody could store their gold safely. We are going to be the custodians of this gold, making sure that nobody comes near your gold. For every gold you deposit in this building, we are going to issue you a receipt, which is going to serve as a proof that Mr. Lanre or Mr. Emmanuel deposited so amount, let's say 1,000 grams of gold, to be stored in our facility. Whenever Mr. Lanre or Mr. Emmanuel wants to come for their gold, all they do is, give us a little token for our services, and we'll give them any amount of gold they want in accordance to how much gold they deposited.